Hi everyone, I really hope you're doing well and I really hope you have been enjoying all my videos. So I'm really happy to be back again with another video. And in this video we are actually still learning picking pattern, including with arpeggios, all both at the same time. So I really hope you're gonna enjoy it. I really hope you're gonna like it. And for this lesson, what we are trying to achieve is we wanna sound like this. Sorry. As we know, we are still playing in C. The chord we're gonna still use are C, F, G. You know, sometimes it's G7. You know, just to have that nice color. And back to the F. Right. So it's gonna sound like this. Alright, that's what we are looking for. We want to achieve and have a sound like this. So when I'm playing on the C, what I'm doing is I'm playing on the 3rd fret, A string, okay? And then I pick the G string, B string and E string, okay? All of them at the same time. So I start here on the A string and then I pick twice. Alright, right after the picking, I put my pinky on the 3rd fret, B string. Okay? Right? And then right after, I go to F. Okay? So I have on the D string, sorry, D string, 3rd fret. So I'm on the D string, G string 2nd fret, B string 1st fret, and then B string again with an empty note. Okay, so it's gonna be. So. And then G. Okay. So what I'm doing is I'm playing the E string, okay, E string 3rd fret, and then B string 3rd fret with the pinky, and then 1st fret on the B string. So sorry, there is a G first, so it's E string, G string, B string, B string again, okay? And then this time when I go to F, I'm gonna pick as well. So I have the D string, then I pick all these 3 notes, the last 3 notes. Sorry, I only pick once. Okay? So I pick, and then I play the E string empty, and then 3rd fret on the B string. Alright, and then we are back to the C, and we play it as a cycle, and that's today's lesson. So it's very short, very straightforward, and always feel free to experiment things. So you can take the 1st lesson or the 3rd lesson, you mix them up with our 6th lesson, and it's amazing. It's amazing to see how crazy you can go with all these melodies, with all these lessons, and you don't have to stick with the same progressions. You can experiment by having new type of progressions, you know, because you can have the 1, 4, 5, or you can have the 1, 5, 4, or you can have the 1, 4, 1, 5, and back to one again. So you can always try to experiment, and you don't have to stick with this type of music. You can apply it to anything that you want to. So I really thank you for watching, and if you did like the videos, don't forget to subscribe, to comment, and to share. See you later. Bye.